Good evening guys, this is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is episode 2 of Dialux Evo 12.1 features. And in this video we are going to discuss two things. First, we are going to discuss how to import the AutoCAD drawings and set it in the elevation views. We are also going to check out very important feature, that is copying the objects in the side views. Let's get started. So we all know that we can import the AutoCAD drawings in the plan view, like the one I have imported here. I can view it in the 3D view. Suppose if I want to import the elevation drawings, previously I could import it only in the plan view. I couldn't rotate it or align it in the side views, but that is possible now in the Dialux 12.1 feature. This is going to be really helpful when you are making a 3D model. Let's check it out, this feature. So AutoCAD plan view of a drawing already I have imported, and I have constructed the walls too. This is a room and this is the 2D drawing of the same. Suppose I need the elevation drawing. Let me show you the AutoCAD drawing of the elevation. This is the complete elevation and the plan view of this bedroom. So this is the plan view. This elevation is of this side, then this elevation is of this side, and this with a door and a pot, this elevation is of this side, and the TV unit elevation is of this side. For now, let's consider any one elevation drawing. Let me select this one, the one with the TV unit. So what I did is I separately saved this AutoCAD drawing because it's easy for me to make any changes in the individual files. And also when I import in the AutoCAD drawing, here in the plan view, I can only select the elevation drawings or the plan views separately. So it also becomes easy for me to handle the files in the Dialux. Now let me import the elevation drawing. So we'll go to DWG. I have my elevation drawing here, bedroom elevation. Open, origin and rotation. Next, units, the file is in millimeters. Finish. Now your elevation drawing 2 is imported in the plan view. See, in the plan view. So next very important step is, see, this side elevation is the front elevation, right? So I'll go to the Dialux and I will select front view, and in the AutoCAD drawings I'll make sure that my bedroom elevation drawing is selected. You can see the orange color line as an highlight. Then below this you can find this tool, visibility. Click here and click on align to the view. See, when you click here, it gets aligned to the view. If needed, you can even move the plan and accurately position it, but here my AutoCAD drawing is properly positioned, so I will not move it. Let us check the 3D view. So this is my plan and this is my elevation. Perfect. How awesome is that? See here, this is the plan and the elevation. So it is much easier now to plan your projects properly. Let's see how. So now here I have a TV unit. I'll place the object here, and as per this I'm going to scale my object. Okay, then I'll go to my front view, my AutoCAD drawing in the elevation, I'll make sure it is selected. Okay, then I'm going to draw this TV unit tracks, so I will scale it accordingly. Perfect. Now in this tutorial we are also going to check the copy and paste feature in the side view. So we are in the side view. I have drawn this object. I will select Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Perfect. I can even move it. If required, I can even scale and rotate too. Let's check that in the 3D view. Perfect. Let's give it some texture. Perfect. There is a TV here. Let's try and draw this TV as well. So this is how you can import the AutoCAD drawings even in the side views. It will help you in reading the drawings properly while you are planning the details in elevation, I think it will be much more useful in facade projects. We will work on a detailed project using this feature in upcoming tutorials. So this is it guys in this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes with the new features of Dialux Evo 12.1. If you have any doubts or concerns, do let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please do hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to explore more in Dialux with me. Thank you.